Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, today I've got Epson L360 printer. The printer contains the error of paper jam. We have removed the jammed paper, but the printer is still showing the paper jam error or red light error. So today we are going to solve this red light error or paper jam error on Epson L360. First of all, open this lock. So here, open first, open it and then open it. Okay, here's a lock. Here's a connection cable. You have to remove this connection cable. Now here is a screw. Remove this screw. Okay, look at here. Open this screw. Now, remove this part. Okay, now remove this cable. Now you have separate the scanner unit from the printer. Now look here, our main problem is here. You are seeing this 3 cable connection. First remove it to see it clearly. Remove this. Remove this. Now this cable has been removed. Now look at this. Here's a sensor lock. The sensor lock has been removed from here. The sensor lock, we have to put this sensor lock in this part, in this hole. Look at here carefully. Look at this sensor lock. This sensor lock has been removed from here, and you have to put this sensor lock here in this hole. I am going to put this sensor lock. This sensor lock in this hole. Put this sensor lock in this hole carefully. Friends, if you are new in this channel, so please subscribe the channel for more updates. Okay, I have put this sensor in its own place, in its original place. So now the sensor is also playing very well. Okay, you can see it. Look at here, the sensor lock is playing very well. Okay, now it's time to put this cable back on. First of all, put this cable. Okay, then also put this cable. Now we are done. Okay, it's time to check our problem has been solved or not. Okay, I am going to put this scanner unit. Now put the cable in its place. Now it's time to check if our problem is solved or not. Turn on the machine. Now our red light error has been gone. Okay, I am going to check about the print quality. I am going to copy. Okay, the print has been come and our problem has been solved. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, keep watching, keep updated. Okay, thanks, bye bye.